What we got here is a 2010 Chevy Cobalt, and I diagnosed this one. Well, customer came in complaining of overheating, and the overflow tank was bubbling up. So we had a further look into it. I diagnosed it as a bad water pump. These little two-track engines are known for these water pump failures. But as I got into it, I noticed that there was something missing right up here. And normally there should be a chain running from here on the back side across the tensioner, from here, down here, around the crank, and back. So when I pulled it apart, I was like, whoa, we're missing something there. Teeth are missing right here. And where did the chain go? Well, I found the chain. Obviously, gravity works. So it's down there in the oil pan. I gotta fish that out somehow. But also noticing we have very, very, very loose timing components. These should not move. They should actually have tension on them, like this. That one doesn't move. So, doing a little research, talking to some people, finding out that these high pressure fuel systems, direct injection, is the cause of it, because what happens is the pump ran off the cams up here. Got your high pressure fill pump. Those cause so much stress that they end up taking out the timing gears right here, or the timing chain, and the tensioners, and the guides and whatnot. And they also cause havoc on other systems in that timing component system. So this one's getting a new full set of timing chains, and we're going to retest.